The process of determining if a child qualifies for special education involves 4 steps. Although there's other deciding factors when looking at whether or not a child should be placed in special education, these steps are the most important, and also important for parents to understand what is being looked at with their child. The steps include screening, eligibility, intervention planning, and progress monitoring. In the screening process, it requires the children to be identified by the teacher if they think they should be evaluated. After the child is identified as potentially needing special education, it is important for the child to get the right assessment after the identification. Eligibility is the next process. This step includes a process to determine whether the child meets the criteria to qualify them. This step is very important. Intervention planning is the next step. In this process, a team will identify goals for the child. Everyone in the child's team must follow the same set of goals for the child in order for it to be effective. Now the last step is progress monitoring. This step includes collecting information on how the child is progressing. Both formative and summative assessments will be performed. The summative assessment shows the total amount of progress the child has made. By following these steps, it will be much easier as a parent and teacher to determine whether or not a child should be placed in special education.